Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to sell on Marketplace using your Facebook account. We will also put useful links in the description below. If you want to sell something in the Marketplace, this video will be a big help for you. So watch and follow the steps. Let's get started. Firstly, you're going to do is to click the Marketplace icon on the left side of the screen. After that, click on Create a new listing that is also on the left side of the screen. Then choose listing type of the item you will sell. You can choose between item for sale, vehicle for sale, or house for sale or rent. Let's say you choose item for sale. You also need to provide picture or video of what kind of item are you selling. Then fill up the title, price, category, and condition of your item. You can choose category by clicking the drop-down arrow. You can also choose condition by clicking the drop-down arrow. You can add more details by putting brand, description, product tags, and SKU. After that, make sure that your location is correct, so that your post reach only the nearest buyer. Then click Next for the final step. You can also share your item listing in the Facebook groups, but you need to join first. Then click on Publish for it to be posted on Facebook Marketplace. And that's how you sell in Facebook Marketplace. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.